Oh, happy 4th of July. It's 9:15 and I'm going for a little bike ride to scope out a lot of these people shooting off fireworks. A lot of them illegal fireworks, but it's only illegal if you get caught. This could be interesting. It's probably dangerous, but I'm doing it anyway. Smoke is filling the air. Well, you can't see anything right now, but I'm sure you can hear. Oh, this is going to be interesting. This street here. Kind of hard to know which direction to point the camera. By the time something goes off, it's too late. Once we get out here, though, it should be a little easier to see from a distance. That guy flashed me the peace sign. Yeah, well, it's not peaceful right now, dude. Let's see, can we get across the street here without getting killed? This might be a couple part videos here, since the camera only records 15 minutes at a time. But it'll just continue recording. It'll just start another 15-minute segment as I go along. I think I'm going to get up on the sidewalk. Because in addition to people shooting off fireworks, there's a lot of drunks out here, I'm sure, on the street. I can make it home. It's okay. Once we get down here past this signal, we should be in some open area. Probably get to see a little bit more. This has been going on for almost an hour and a half. I guess I could just point the camera in one direction and eventually I'll see some fireworks. A lot of these things rival professional fireworks shows. Giant mortar shells. Big as a basketball. before I left, I was looking at the Howard Johnson's camera across the street from Disneyland, and you could just see fireworks going off all around the resort area. Not so much going on down here. Uh-oh, fire truck, that's not good. I don't want to see fire trucks racing down the street on 4th of July. I'll pause this for a little bit. Here's one of our talking walk signals. Listen to this. Wait. Okay, I'll wait. It's going to talk again. Here you go. Walk side to side. Okay. How about if I just ride? We're getting down into some more neighborhoods here. Might be seeing some explosions ahead of us. I hear these big concussion explosions and it draws my attention, but I don't see the firework going off. What worries me is people getting way out of hand and deciding, oh, I'm going to shoot my gun into the air. That'll really impress people. Yeah. Make an impression on somebody when the bullet comes down on their head. People over here just have sparklers. How anticlimactic. Shut off all our fireworks, all we got left are sparklers. And snakes. Remember snakes? Burn the sidewalk, and for months later you'd see the burn marks. Okay, now we're going uphill and over the railroad tracks. This isn't going to be fun. I'm going to pause while I do that. Jeez. Well, there you go. So that's where all this noise is coming from. You can hear car alarms going off. This is insane! Alright, now we gotta wait for this dang light. Okay, here we go. Now we're directly behind the Disneyland Hotel Resort. It's 9:33. The fireworks for Disneyland should be going off by now, unless it's too windy, then they won't shoot them off. But that doesn't stop all these people out here from shooting off theirs. There's fireworks going off on the other side of the street, but all these trees are blocking us. This was a good idea when I thought about it earlier, but it's not quite turning out as good as I thought. If I'd gone out maybe half hour earlier, we'd have really seen something, but I think people have pretty much blown their loads by now. I can hear them still, I just can't see any. Okay, we're coming up to the end of this 15-minute segment. So once the next segment starts, hopefully the Disneyland fireworks will start and we'll really get to see some. See you in the next segment.